This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to learn the programming easy method. Choose one language, set a small daily goal, and build tiny projects to apply each concept immediately. Use online tutorials, books, and interactive exercises to reinforce learning. Track progress with simple milestones and review mistakes. Pair practice with passive learning like podcasts or videos while commuting. Stay patient and consistent, and you will improve steadily. I recommend a step-by-step plan to make learning manageable and fun. Begin with syntax and core concepts, then build a small project each week to apply new skills. Use spaced repetition for key ideas and review code you wrote earlier. Read code from others and mimic useful patterns. Seek feedback from peers or mentors to accelerate growth. Keep a simple journal of progress and next tasks. Adjust pace when needed and enjoy the process. Practice deliberately with focused exercises and projects each day. Break problems into smaller steps and test, often to build confidence. Work on debugging skills and read error messages carefully to learn faster. Alternate between building something new and improving past projects to solidify learning. Pair programming or code reviews help expose blind spots. Use targeted drills like katas, algorithm practice, and UI tweaks to build muscle memory. Track time spent coding to measure consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.